A lot of franchises promise that you can be your own boss, but there's a difference between buying a job and owning a business. Our system teaches you to hire and train others to do the refinishing while you focus on growing and promoting your business. The key to a profitable Miracle Method business is to follow our proven system, like Andrew Gorski, a firefighter from Cleveland, Ohio. He has 10 employees and is on track to do over $1 million in sales in only his 5th year as a Miracle Method franchisee.
We have seen big jumps every single year, and we've been able to take a very large piece of the market in Cleveland. Going forward and in the future, the sky's the limit.
While management and sales experience is beneficial, it's not required. Our system provides you with the sales training you need to secure residential and commercial accounts, teaches you how to hire and train employees, and gives you the advertising and marketing tools necessary to dominate your market. If you're ready to take the next step to business ownership, then click on Get Started or call me today.